want to give a special thanks to Zuru for sending these products to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today we are in our video rental store with a little Stranger Things vibe because we've got Netflix mini brands. Say what now? Yes, mini brands and Netflix have teamed up to bring us more minis. From Stranger Things, I've seen that. Rebel Moon, haven't seen that. Squid Games, yes. Emily in Paris, yes. Cobra Kai, no. Bridgerton, yes. The Witcher, some. And there are epic gold minis. The capsule looks pretty standard. The plastic underneath the label is red, and there's a Netflix logo on the side. And this is what the box looks like. There are 32 minis to collect and 5 surprises inside. You know I love me some mini brands. Let's open our first one. I gotta know if these are going to be a good scale for the dollhouse. If so, I want a lot of Bridgerton minis. I got 5 bags. They say Netflix, and I have a silver one. Wait, is this going to be a smelly mini? Let's check the collector's guide, which separates the minis into different categories like legendary. There's a little thing from The Witcher. We have some gold minis from Squid Games. I could live without those. Oh, the camera from Emily in Paris is luxury. Ultra rare sword from The Witcher. And yes, we have scented minis, Stranger Things pizza, and a cake from Bridgerton. I want the cake. Under rare, we have a teapot from Bridgerton. Yes. Emily in Paris pastry. Yeah, I'll take that. Here's a few items under common. A dog from Bridgerton, Lady Whistledown Society papers, and a hat from Emily in Paris, along with some other stuff. So yeah, this is an ultra rare smelly mini. It's flat, so I don't think it's the cake. It's probably the Stranger Things pizza. And yep, Surfer Boy Pizza, Supreme Pizza. It says Stranger Things. The box can open and there is a pizza inside. It is sculpted with printed details. It can be removed from the box. And how does it smell? I don't really smell anything, which I'm okay with. Pizza in a movie. Perfect combo. Let's open the next bag, which is the statue from Squid Games. Here they are with a doll, so you can see the size. The Squid Games figure comes with a stand, so you and your dolls can play red light, green light. In the next bag, we have a little paper bag from Emily in Paris. And inside, we have, whoa, 2 giant pastries. They are the same figure, and if these aren't pastries, I do apologize. They do seem a little large to me, but we're still probably going to use them with the dolls. Let's open the next one, which is, it's a mask from Squid Games. It comes with a stand, so we can display it on those dollhouse bookshelves. It's a little small for the dolls, but could make some fun room clutter. And in this bag, we have a red beret that is flocked, so it's fuzzy. Again, I think it's a little small for our dolls, but you could probably do it anyway, or use it as a prop. Let's open another one. Oh wow, we got another silver one. And is that Lady Whistledown Society papers? Yes, it is. Okay, let's go to our Bridgerton room, which is the perfect background for the latest gossip of the ton. Now this does count as one of the 5 surprises. So I have this small bag with the little flyer in it, and then 4 paper bags. Well, one of them is foil. Lady Whistledown Society papers is printed front and back. There are real words on there, and I can make out a few. Unlikely pairing. Can we use a Mini Brands Books magnifying glass? Yeah, they're words. One has also heard through society clatter that Lord James Messing and Miss Somebody are courting. Oh my goodness. We do have a free printable for something similar on our blog. This is Lady Froggyton Society Papers. It It's a little larger, but it's still a fun detail for the dollhouse. Let's put that by the telephone. I believe this is another pizza. Yep, from Stranger Things. And this is a baseball cap from Stranger Things. It is too small for a Barbie. And this Chelsea doll. But the Emily in Paris beret is a good fit on a Chelsea doll. Here's the baseball cap compared to other mini brands' hats. And yeah, the scale is kind of all over the place. In the next bag, we have a sword from The Witcher, which is kind of small for a Barbie. Oh, we got our first double. More treats from Emily in Paris. Correction, that was our second double. The pizza. I'm over here shaking the capsules. There is definitely something shaking around in this one. So let's open it up and see what's making all that noise. All right, so far everything is in a bag. I think this is what was making all the noise. And it is, ooh, the camera from Emily in Paris. It feels like a die-cast metal. It has a ribbon strap. It's a little large for a Barbie, but you could probably still do it. Here it is compared to the mini fashion camera. In the next bag, we have a Stranger Things guitar with a stand. I think it's calico critter size and could probably be used as a prop in a doll fandom bedroom. I do wish that everything was 1/6 scale, but you know, that's just me. Speaking of a fandom bedroom, here is a Hopper action figure by Bandai. It is removable, and the figure is a little over 1.25 inches tall. In the next bag, we got the Witcher sword again. It's a double. And in the last bag for this capsule, we find another sword from The Witcher. Okay, opening my third capsule, we've gone back to our Bridgerton room because I'm hoping for Bridgerton. Looks like we got another pizza. Yep. For it to be ultra rare, I keep getting it. I'm really hoping to find that Bridgerton teapot. This is a Cobra Kai figure. And this is Eddie from Stranger Things. And this is another beret from Emily in Paris. This feels like a sword. And am I right? Yep, it's a triple. Capsule number 4 makes a sound and feels a little heavier compared to some of the other capsules. I'm hoping it's a dog. No silver bags this time, so let's see those minis. Our first one is a double of Harper from Stranger Things, and we got 11 from Stranger Things, and this is from Rebel Moon. It's made of metal, and some kind of bone thing from Rebel Moon. Where's the Bridgerton? And this is a ship from Rebel Moon as well. Let's check off a few things that we've found so far. We already have all of the Emily in Paris minis. Now I am on the hunt for the Bridgerton teapot and cake. That's another foil one. It's a smelly mini. And it's definitely not a pizza, which means it is the Bridgerton cake. It comes on a silver platter. We have ladyfingers, I think, going around the edge. There's a light fruit scent. It's not too strong, and it looks like a great size for the dolls. All we need now is the teapot. Squid Games. And Emily in Paris? It's a triple. Then, a double for Squid Games. And another hat. We got 3. We've opened 6 so far, and we've gotten quite a few doubles. Opening capsule number 7, I got another one! It is definitely a Bridgerton cake, which I will gladly take. We also got another lady whistledown, so yay! 2 Bridgerton items in 1 capsule that are also doubles. But it's okay, because they are minis that I want. And this is another item from Rebel Moon, and my third Stranger Things Hopper. I just want Bridgerton teapot. Oh, what? Yeah, I found it. Okay, so it's blue and white and gold, has a little flower print on it. Let's zoom in so you all can see those details. I think it's a tiny bit small for the dolls, but we're still gonna rock it. And we can check that one off the list. I pretty much got all the minis that I want. We didn't get the dog, however. Part of me thinks it's going to be under scale, but I kinda wanna see it anyway. This is capsule number 8. I got a third Lady Whistledown, another one of these, more Stranger Things, and more Stranger Things. And the last one from this capsule is Emily in Paris. Breakfast, anyone? Capsule number 9. This bag is a lot larger than some of the other ones we've been opening. And we got a spiky face flower monster from Stranger Things. What is it, a Demogorgon? It's pretty detailed. And my third one of these, we got another Cobra Kai figure. I think this might be another camera. Is it? Yep. And the last one for capsule number 9 is, ooh, another Bridgerton teapot. Capsule number 10. The dog is under common, so it should not be hard to find. Looks like we got another cake and another Lady Whistledown. Another one of these. That makes 4. And this is another mask. Sorry, let's be positive. We have another teapot, which I'm actually okay with. I can use a ton of these. Well, I think 3 is good. Opening number 11, in search of the Bridgerton dog. Seriously, this is our third 11 from Stranger Things. And the Squid Game mask, another Rebel Moon ship, and an iconic Squid Games gold mask. It also has a display stand and is an okay fit with a Barbie. And it is a little larger than the other mask. Capsule number 12. And our last capsule for today. Also, our last opportunity to find the Bridgerton dog. Pretty certain this is another pizza. Yep, bringing us to 4. And on this one, I can totally smell the scent. We have 3 bags and another Lady Whistledown Society Papers. 3 bags to go, hoping to see the dog, and we have a Stranger Things baseball cap. And why are there so many of these? And our very last one is Emily in Paris, which we got 5 times out of 12 capsules. With 12 capsules, we found 24 of the 32 minis. 12 capsules gives you 60 minis, so yeah, we had quite a few doubles and triples and quadruples. When it comes to scale, we definitely have a little variety, and the Bridgerton and Emily in Paris items are my personal faves. And I would love to see the teapot with matching cups. If this is even a teapot, it could be a coffee pot. Either way, it's a cute mini for the dollhouse. Thank you for joining us while we checked out Mini Brands Netflix, or Netflix Mini Brands. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!